Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am co-founder of Logimic company. We are a pretty young company. We started our business last year. Of course, after many years of experience with software development in telecommunication, automatization, and aerospace. Our business and our goal is to provide software development services to industry with main focus on edge IoT systems. Edge IoT systems are gateways, computers, control systems, and stuff very closely to placed very closely to end sensors. Our business is B2B and software only, no hardware, and software domain is edge IoT systems. So this is our vision, how to deal with edge systems. Today, the IoT ecosystem is more or less a bunch of isolated islands, not really talking between devices because IoT technology is a bunch of different technology, communication standards, and devices. You cannot take freely any mobile application and select any end device and let them talk without any additional effort or investment. If they are, of course, not from portfolio of one manufacturer. So we believe that solution of this situation, or at least improvement of this situation, can be done on application level of these IoT edge devices, which would isolate the physical and transport IoT platforms. We would like to present our concept, which is application level as a software component like system, where each component has public interface and can be connected with any other components. You very simply break down any complex software into software modules, software components, software bricks, and from these bricks you can build any software solution you would like. For example, if you have MQTT module responsible for just receiving and receiving the information, you can have just one brick. You can use it in different software solutions, in control system of the house, control system of the robots, in drones, and so on. We call this component system shape, which is just a factory of empty bricks. And these empty bricks you can fill with user code or user functionality, and to make them available for building any software systems. The benefits of breaking down of complex systems into modular systems are very, very obvious and very suitable for IoT world. You have fast and inexpensive development, testing, and maintenance. There is a big difference when you are testing and developing and maintaining a complex system and you are testing a set of very simple basic components. There is great open scalability and reusability. You can build whatever you want from these bricks. And the most beautiful thing is that if you invent any new brick in your project, you can use it automatically in any your previous project or future projects, because each brick has public interface, which can be a local interface, or this can be also a remote interface. Through application interface, which we are providing with these bricks. This application interface is just a simple JSON messaging. So you can make your applications, different applications, pretty much compatible. So one of our projects which is using this component architecture is IQRF gateway Daemon. This is software gateway able to run on any computer. We are working on that with IQRF Tech. This is a collaboration of our companies. Maybe you've seen this first beta version in workshop or at workshops. The benefits which modular architecture is bringing to this project is possibility to run this gateway software on any computer. System is written in C++ language, simple modules, simple components. You can runtime configure any complete system. This is just a bunch of independent bricks collaborating together, so you can remotely through application interface start, stop any component. You can reload the configuration of any component, and you can manage it remotely. Very important is scalability, so you can create new brick or new bricks where you can put your user logic or your low-level logic, so we can let gateway to perform any low-level logic which is not needed to be transferred to higher systems. And of course, multiple connectivity, which is very important. Any other brick can be available for the external modems and external connectivity. So there is our concept how to deal with IQRF gateway Daemon in the future. So we would like to cover general gateway requirements, which are, for example, backup of internet connectivity. So far we are working on two of them: external connectivity to LoRa networks and external connectivity to narrowband IoT networks. And internal connectivity, we would like to extend it with Bluetooth, and the reason is that we want to have make the gateway devices available or accessible through user devices, from user devices like laptops or phones or any other devices. And of course the integration, which is a very important part because we want to let work this gateway software with other systems. There are two of them. First is Mozilla IoT, which is a new thing from Mozilla organization, and second is KNX standard, industrial standard. So these two are in our roadmap. And which is not on this picture are user low-level logic, which we can develop on demand. So as a first step with integration, we prepared the integration of IQRF gateway Daemon with Mozilla IoT. Mozilla IoT is something like Home Hub, where you can very simply create any home logic, pair the switches with the bulbs and so on. So we prepare the IQRF adapter, and we made it available for public use. Entire this modular architecture is not any new standard. Everything is free and open sourced. So we are not creating any new standards. We are just using existing standards, existing technologies in a clever way. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.